Real estate is a very attractive investment tool. However, potential investors may be hesitant about managing their properties. Some elements that cause indecision include collecting rent every month or having to run repairs for tenants. Fear of scams is also a factor. Assetplan solves all these obstacles by combining experience and technology through a single, simple, and comprehensive solution. Our clients can rent quickly, safely, and 100% digitally. In addition, by delegating the administration of their apartments to us, they save time and energy. Through our platform, investors can collect the rent for their properties, delegate the tenant's requirements, review the incomes and expenses of the property, check the collection of communal expenses, and trust the repairs and maintenance of their apartments to Assetplan. At Assetplan, we have more than 10 successful years of experience in the industry, and we distinguish ourselves from traditional managers thanks to our digital tools and developments. These elements allow us to deliver a superior quality service and position ourselves as one of the largest residential rental operators in Latin America with more than 17,000 units in our management. Assetplan. Live as you imagine.